In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Facebook Professional mode if it is not showing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile. As you can see, currently I'm not on a professional mode, and normally we can easily turn it on if we tap right here at these three dots, and then if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find turn on professional mode. We can get into it, and then if we tap right here, we'll be able to turn professional mode on. However, in some cases, that option is not showing here. I got two solutions for you how you can easily fix that issue. So guys, first off, if you look right here, you'll probably find that lock profile option. In some countries, we are able to lock our Facebook profiles. In my country, I can use that feature, and firstly, we need to ensure that our Facebook profile is not locked. If it says unlock profile here, tap on it and unlock your profile first, because account on a professional mode cannot be locked. Once it is done, head over to settings, scroll down a bit, get into general, then iPhone storage, then scroll down until you find the Facebook, and in here we need to force reinstall Facebook app. To do that, tap right here at offload app, then confirm it, and after a while you will be able to reinstall Facebook app by tapping right here at that button. It will start downloading process. You need to wait for it to complete, and once it is done, you will get the latest Facebook app version without any bugs, any glitches, any errors, and that may help you to fix that issue. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.